Hello, happy Valentine's Day, beautiful people out there, all of you, happy Valentine's Day. So as you can see, I did this really vibrant pink, bold makeup look. Of course, this is what it looks like. Cut crease, trying to work on my cut creases and all that. So, yeah, so I did this makeup look. I don't want to ramble on all that. In this intro, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, of course, just continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video at the end, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos that I have coming up. Also, y'all, as you can see, I got new hair. I cut my hair. This is the shortest my hair has ever been, especially with me being natural now. Yeah, it's definitely different from me, but I'm actually loving this look. So if you guys like my hair and all of that, of course, just leave a comment down below, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one, and enjoy your Valentine's Day.